In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily set calendar alerts on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Calendar app, and then we need to get into Calendars. What that will do, that will show us all our calendars, including iCloud, Gmail, maybe some other calendars. And then first off, we need to get into certain calendar settings. To do that, tap right here at that I sign, and we will be taken to the screen that looks like that, where you can easily find event alerts, and by toggling off or on that switcher you can disable or enable event alerts for the particular calendar. So if you would like to stop event alerts for a particular calendar, just turn it off and then do not forget to tap at Done to save the changes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.